there. It's not easy. Look. It's not easy. Be careful. Whoa. Whoa. That was so slow. Okay then. Look. Watch this. There's some ducks. Look. Is that? It's so very amazing. Look, it has lots of, you know. What? Okay. Okay, guys, there's some chicken. I see some chicken. What is this? Ew. Oh, there's that chicken. I know there's some chicken. Hi, guys, I'm here again because look, there's some ducks. Wow, there's some chicks. Look, you see them? Are so amazing. Look, there's some chicks. Wow, so very cute. Ah, what a nice chicks. Huh? What? Oh, there's some pretty swimming pool for them. You know, there's some swimming pool. I know. They are coming. Look, it's so very cute. And the other one is in the grass. You know, guys, I like it. And there's a bird flying, but oh, what a cutie pie. I really like it here. And the top of the, maybe it has coconut. Oh no, they're coming to me. Ah, they're coming to me. Oh no, they're coming to me. Ah, they're coming in with me. Oh, I'm scared. It's so much. That one is yelling. You know. Oh, that one is getting with the pool and drink some water maybe. Is, you know. Oh no, the other one is drinking some water too. It's so much fun in here. Wow, look. You see that? There's some shells. So a lot. Oh no, they're getting drinking a water. Wow, so very nice. I really like because there's some lots of chicks in here. So very nice day. Did you know the chicks are so cute? That's the duck. Maybe that's a duck. I don't know. It's so very nice here. And there's some winds. It's so very cool. I look like relaxing here. Okay, then. Ooh, another shells. Wow, it's so very amazing. But I have a nice. Oh, I think it will fall. A coconut, maybe, no? Or yes. I'm so. Oh, there's some other shells. Here and there, and everywhere the shells. Oh, what a nice day. Do you hear that sound? Look at the one. A feeder. You know, it's the duck one. There's lots of feeders. Wow, so very lots of feeders. And there's some plants. Oh, I think I'm so excited with my new house. You know, because I will call it farm garden because it's so much fun. Yeah, I have my view and I look like relaxing in a nice space. You know, wow, it's so much fun. There's lots of adventure, even his pools where to swim. Oh no, there's some lots of leaves. There's the leaves. I step at it, it makes sound. Na 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 na. It makes sounds, you know. Oh, so amazing. And this one, no. Oh, I didn't know there's some chair to sit, but it's high for me. But oh no, look, there's some small chair. I can just, you know, sit. Look at this. It's so very amazing. Yes, with my mommy. It's so much fun because it's so much fun. It's just so much fun, you know. Another dog, it's hiding in the house because maybe it's scared, you know. So very nice.
Say goodbye na.
Goodbye. I'm here again. It's so much. Oh, there's some chicken. But, you know. Oh, he's getting inside to the house. And the dog is getting out of the house. You know. Hi, so amazing. Yay! Look at me, it's just me, you know. I'm walking here. Be careful because I don't know. Yes, I did it from here, you know. Yay! Bye-bye, guys. Okay, I know. Bye-bye, guys. Oh no, I can't see anything. Where's the one? Bye-bye.